You want to learn how to create a lead magnet to build your network marketing business online. I'm going to give you the 7 steps that I have personally used to attract over 5,000 people to my business using a very, very simple lead magnet. So let's jump into it. By the way, my name's Cody Dean. I help network marketers grow their downline online. So if you love network marketing and passive income, make sure you subscribe to the channel. So let's get into it. The first step that you need to do in order to create a lead magnet, you need to figure out who it is that you want to help. Let me just delete this actually here. All right, so you need to figure out who it is that you want to help out. Okay, now a lot of network marketers, especially when they get trained, is they just say, hey, just try to talk to everyone and anyone, and they're not really clear on who it is that they want to talk to. But if you're trying to talk to everyone, you're actually being too generic, and people do not respond to being generic, right? They'll just automatically think, oh, this is not meant for me, and so then they will move on with their lives. Okay, so you need to get really clear on who it is that you want to help. And these boxes over here are where I will personally show you what I'm doing currently to do and implement these 7 steps. So make sure you stick around to the end for that. Okay, number 2 is, what specific problem do they have, that person that you want to help? And this is what, again, why it's so important that you figure out who it is that you want to help, because if you want to go out there and help someone that's a runner, whereas if you want to go and help someone that is a bodybuilder, those two people are going to have completely different problems than from each other, right? So a runner, they might be more worried about their cardio. They might be more worried about being able to run longer distances and the shoes that they're wearing, right? The shoes that they're going to have are going to be different than the shoes that the bodybuilder is having, okay? So you need to figure out, okay, what specific problem are they having? Are they getting tired at mile 3? Is the bodybuilder not being able to lift that 300-pound bench press? What is the problem that they are incurring, okay? And a lot of times, if you're not really clear or certain on who you should help, then what you want to do is just figure out who you are or who you've been like a year ago, and that is the person that you want to help, and what was the problem that you were having. Okay, now once you figure out what the problem is, then you can go over and start getting into the specific result or the desired outcome that you want to give to that person. Okay, so the problem that someone might be having is they are getting tired at mile 3, or they're having blisters in their feet. Okay, what specific result or desired outcome do you want to give them? You want to be able to run faster and farther because without having to worry about the blisters. Okay, that's the desired outcomes. They want to run faster, run farther, or they want to be able to lift that 300. Next, once you have the desired outcome, then you can actually go into and pick a lead magnet. I'll give you here in just a moment 30 lead magnet ideas that you can use and implement. Once you have that lead magnet, then you can I'll show you how to create that here in just a second. And step 6 is put that lead magnet into a funnel. I'll show you. It's a very simple 1-page funnel that you can use. And then number 7 is then promote the lead magnet. I'll show you some ways that you can promote that lead magnet. Okay, so let me show you what I'm currently doing out there on the interwebs to promote my business. Okay, so first thing that I'm doing is I'm helping people that are just getting started with affiliate marketing. Okay, notice how I'm not doing network marketing. These are people, the reason why I like network or affiliate marketing, talking to people that are interested in affiliate marketing, is they kind of already understand the idea of like, okay, I have a product, I get paid to promote a product, but they're just kind of like, they're having a problem. What's their problem that they're having? Is the problem is that they really want to make money online, but this more specific problem is they don't know like if they have a good product that they can promote. Okay, now the cool thing about promoting to affiliate marketers is because there's a lot of people out there talking about affiliate marketing right now, and so you don't have to go and convince people to start making money online or be interested in making money online. They're already interested in making money online. You just got to go out and grab that attention of those. So what specific result or desired outcome am I giving them? Is I want to give them a product and a system that will allow them to make money online. So it's a product and a system. And so that's their desired outcome, is they want a product and they want a system that will make money for them online. Okay. Next, I want to pick a lead magnet. Now, I'm going to show you my cheat sheet here. Now, down below here on this video, I actually have a 5-day digital recruiting challenge that's down below. When you join that, you actually will get my 30 irresistible lead magnets ideas that your audience will beg you for. So when you go in here and get those, let me actually just show you real quick. All right, so down below, there's a link to a 5-day digital recruiting challenge where I'll help you get 5 customers in the next 5 days. One of the bonuses that you get is 30 done-for-you lead magnet ideas. So let me show you these here. Okay, so these lead magnets is a way that you can attract these people to you, and then you can just fill in the blank and create one from these ideas. So you could do a starter guide of how to get started with, and like my niche is affiliate marketing. So you can create a product or have a done-for-you product and selling system, a beginner's guide of how to achieve your selling system even if you have no skills or expertise, step-by-step guide of how to achieve, and then again, desirable outcome is the result that you're going to give them. Okay, how to achieve passive income in 5 fast and simple steps. Okay, and that's kind of the approach that I have done with this. So let me show you what I'm doing. So this is my Instagram page here. So you can see I have a 5-day affiliate business challenge where I teach affiliate marketers how to get started with affiliate marketing and start creating income online. Okay, so that is an awesome lead magnet that I recommend everyone be doing, is like a 5-day quick start guide, right? So this one's starting on July 22nd, but it'll, once I get it all built out and recorded, then it'll live live. Okay. So make sure you get your cheat sheet. It is part of the digital recruiting challenge that I have as part of my for network marketers. Okay, and you can see here I put for network marketers I have the 5-day digital recruiting challenge, and then for affiliate marketers I have a 5-day affiliate marketing challenge, and that is how I get people warmed up to get into be interested in making money with me online. Okay, so I recommend that you do the exact same thing. Okay, once you create the lead magnet or pick the lead magnet, then you want to create the lead magnet, and you can just create that right in Canva. You go into templates, and then I guess I can show you real quick on how to do that. What you do is you type in lead magnet templates up here at the top. They'll give you so many templates that you can work from, and then you just go in there and you can change out those things. Okay, say you want to do a running guide. Let's see if they have run for runners. The complete guide to running. So like this person's already done a lot of the work for you. I would definitely go in here. Oh yeah. So they didn't create the running guide. They just gave you like a template that you can do. And then you go in here and then you add in, the 5 things that you've learned from running and how to be a runner, right? How to get better at running. And then one of those steps you want to make sure you include is your supplement or whatever it is that you do with your network marketing team or with your products. Once you have the lead magnet and you've created the lead magnet, and by the way, if you need help with creating a lead magnet, just join the 5-day digital recruiting challenge. Then you can DM me and I'll see that you're part of the challenge, and then we can start working together to help you create that lead magnet. But you put the lead magnet in a funnel. Now it's a very simple funnel that I recommend that you use is with StanStore. Okay. When you get, by the way, you can get a 14-day free trial to StanStore down below. It's the system that I use for everything. It's the system that I use for my lead magnets. It's the system that I use for my 5-day challenges. Everything is done inside of StanStore, and it's only $29 a month, but you do get a 14-day free trial down below. So, and it's so simple. Like when I was using some other softwares, it took me like 2 weeks or 3 weeks to be able to build out a funnel. But as a beginner, what you can do is just go over here to landing pages, scroll down to the bottom and click add landing page, digital product, you then can pick out an image. So say again, you're helping runners or just running. Okay. You can put that there like so. And then watch this, running guide. Okay. You can even say it's a free running guide, and then click generate with AI. Now this is going to take the title that you just did, and then it will allow you to have a framework that you can then build off of. Okay. So you're going to learn inside this running guide how to improve your technique, how to increase your motivation, how to reduce your injuries, how to have better performance, right? And then obviously speckled throughout that lead magnet, you're going to give them the supplements designed for runners or that can help runners. Okay. Then what you do is make sure that you put it as the price that you want. I put 0 there, so then it's free. It goes away. They just put in their name and their number or their email, and then you can upload your file of the product of your lead magnet right into the stand, and that is it. It's all done for you. Simple. They send out the emails for you. It's super easy, super amazing. More of that will be in my 5-day challenge, so come join the 5-day challenge. I'll show you more in detail. Okay. And then last step here is promote that lead magnet, and I recommend doing that on Instagram. Okay, I'll make a whole nother video on Instagram, but one little tip here is to just go into your Explore or go into your home, and like, I really like Alex Hormozy. So look at this. He's got a lot of likes because he's got a lot of followers, but just go and remake content similar to people that are already doing well, right? He has a whole team. They know what they're doing. You don't need to go and reinvent the wheel. So just go and say, hey, you only need 3 things to win. Okay. The balls to start, the brain to learn, the heart to never quit. So you could just flip that just a little bit, do a picture of you, maybe a picture of you running. Again, if you are talking to runners, you are probably a runner, right? And if you're an affiliate marketer, you could talk to affiliate marketers, right? You only need 3 things to win. The balls to start, right? So this is just a picture of him. So go back over to Canva. So we're over here in Canva, social media, Instagram post. You can make the dimensions be identical. Look, his is not a square. His is actually, so this is what I mean by like modeling after what these people are doing. So Instagram squares now I think are like 1280, I believe. I just looked it up. It's 1080 by 1350. So you can then go over here and resize your design to 1350. Okay. Blah, blah, blah. Resize. Check this out, okay? Now, I will have a picture that takes up majority of the screen. Let's get a picture of me. All right, so I found a picture of myself. I kind of put it off-center just like his here. And it's kind of black on the sides too, right? So, like, I guess I could do that same exact thing as well. And then he has a square. Look at this here. You go over here to Elements. Get a square, and it is white, and the border was pretty thick, and they were kind of curved like that. Okay, and then make that go over here. I'm going to, let's see, make the photo bigger like so, and then I am just going to put it like that. Okay, so it doesn't have to be like you're copying exactly, but, and then you could even go in here and get a little, let's see, I had a little screenshot that was similar to his. There we go, I found it. So because I do pay for the check mark, I can put the check mark right in there like so. Okay, go over here, and then I can type in what it is that I actually want. I'll close that down. Get some text, do the body, make it a little bit bigger, a little bit smaller. And you only need 3 things to win. How can I apply this to my business, right? You only need 3 to create passive income. Okay. You only need 3 things to create passive income, and then he lists them off here. And everything is left aligned, right? I might be going into a little bit more detail for you guys, but hopefully you guys are liking this. So if you are liking this so far, you need a product, You need a product, a problem, a person with that problem, and then a system that delivers the product to the person. Delivers? Is that it? I don't know. Anyway, so you can see how I do this, and then I can just go and post that on Instagram, and then you can see here, even here down below, every successful person starts with this, yada yada. I just modeled right after that. He's added music to his, oh, there's no, so I think he's turned it into a reel, honestly. Yep, so he made this a reel by he made this into a reel actually. So that's why it looks the way it does. See how we're doing this here? So it's a reel that's a photo, because they understand that reels get more views currently than just random pictures. Okay, so the way that you turn this into a reel is by adding something into the background, like some music, and then make it 5-6 seconds long, and then you're good to go from there. Post it, and then obviously you want to then send people to your landing page just like he does here. Okay, come learn more. Business owners, he's calling out the business owners. Okay, and now there's going to be a video that's going to be showing up here on the screen. If you want to learn more ways of how you can work with me, then come check out the video right here to give you the 3 ways that you can work with me. So click the video right now.